everybody, welcome to Run Deals. Today I want to show you this amazing electric fireplace. You can install anywhere in your home. I just put this to my room and I will show you more details about this product. And when I press timer, we have between 1 to 8 hours. So you can just adjust the hours, like you can make it 4 hours, 6 hours, or 8 hours. So it's really easy. And we have heat. So we have two different kind of heat. One is low and one is high. Like when I press the heat, this is the first one, and this part is for heating, and it's 750 volts. And when you click again, so this is 1500 volts, so two heat. So it's really easy. So you can just adjust from this heat button. So when you click again, you can just turn this off. So when we look at colors, so you can change the flames color with color A button. So we have orange, blue, red, and yellow colors. So it's really easy to change. Like I like the blue one more. And then you can change these burning slugs with this color B buttons. So we have red, orange, red, yellow. And I will show you one more feature because it's really cool. So when you press for 6 seconds for this color A button, the indicator will show digital 0, and then the flame's color and brightness will be changed automatically. So I'm pressing for 6 seconds and I saw that 0, and then it will be changed automatically. Okay, it turns to orange. And you can do the same thing for burning logs. So let's try. I saw that 0, and it will be changed automatically too. Yeah, like the color is turning red now. So it's really amazing and it's really cool. Like you can use as a heater or you can just use for ambience. So it's up to you, but I highly recommend this product. Thank you.